Why red color?
Well, that's something. I think red is a color which I think suits a woman the most, and I think it signifies a beautiful woman. And as we all know today, the jewelry that I'm wearing, it's Oman, right? It's Omana is basically originated from Sanskrit, and it means woman, and we are celebrating womanhood here, and I think which is a beautiful thought that Shreyansh and Dr. Devika, his wife, have put, and I can just thank them for choosing me to support something like this, and I feel lovely in this jewelry. I wish they'd just given it to me and I would run away with it. But jokes apart, I think red is the color that really I think is the best. A girl wears it on her most special day, according to our Indian tradition. And jewelry to complement it is very, very important. Otherwise, I think a woman's beauty is not complete without beautiful jewelry. And today, I think I just feel most beautiful that I've ever looked in my life.
Sorry? Sonal is very gorgeous. We had the good fortune of working with her before. She had come down to Kanpur. We did a launch with her, with Azwa, with World Gold Council, and as soon as we all saw her family, we just fell in love with her. She's so gorgeous. At that point in time, we said, there's nobody else at IIJW who's going to walk, because this is our 4th year. We've been doing it continuously from the 1st year onwards, and this year it had to be Sonal.
Last year you also worked for this IIJW, so what difference do you find last year and this year?
Well, I just would like to say, and this is something that I noticed when I wore this jewelry, it's very, very, contemporary, and at the same time, it can also be teamed up with Indian. So it's very, very wearable. Like if it's a very big occasion, I can wear this set and feel like a princess. Like it's my wedding, I would love to wear something like this. I can also use these earrings sometime for maybe a red carpet appearance that I'm making with a gown. It'll just, add so much to it. Just the earrings, beautiful cocktail ring. So I just feel that there's so many times you can wear it differently in so many different ways, and I think only a very intelligent jewelry designer can think of that and make it worth the money that one is paying for the kind of jewelry that it is.
You know what, we wanted to do absolute drama for Sonal because she's absolutely stunning, and for the showstopper we wanted to do a dramatic look. So we chose the floral embellishment gown so that it would look different and it would look dramatic, and she would look absolutely stunning. And red was the color chosen by the jewelry designer so that it offset the whole pastel collection that we had going.
Are you really asking me that question? I want it all because honestly, I just think that every piece that I'm wearing today is just stunning. Like I saw it and I was in love. So it's a very difficult choice. I want it all. I'm greedy. I'm sorry. Well, I'm here to talk about the jewelry that I'm wearing, and of course about Kashi Jewelers. And that's what I think we should stick to. I think there are lots of great things that Kashi Jewelers has achieved, and I think we as Indians should be proud of them because they are the only jewelers in the country that have been awarded the President of India award twice, in a row. So that's great. And another big achievement that I think I'm very proud of as an Indian is that they're going to be in the Rolls-Royce Book of the Year, which is a very prestigious thing. Also, another thing that I found out today, it's like JNA at Hong Kong, which is like Oscars of jewelry awards. That also they've got. And another thing that I discovered today is that everything is in-house for them, whether it's the production, the designing, and the manufacturing. Everything just happens under that one roof. Just fantastic. And look at these two talented people here. I just feel so small here because this is art, just making something so beautiful out of nothing at all. I mean, diamonds are beautiful, jewelry is beautiful, but only a good designer or a good mind can spoil it, or just make it beautiful, and they've done it. So it's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Reason why.
Favorite outfit?
Favorite?
Outfit.
A pair of shorts and a white t-shirt.
Favorite shades?
Favorite shades?
Yeah, color.
Oh, like colors. All pastel colors.
Favorite designers?
Favorite designers? I would say Devika and Shransh, jewelry designers.
Essential in your traveling bag.
Huh?
Essential in your traveling bag.
A lip balm, a pair of shades.
Favorite snacks?
Snacks. Maggie. Gadgets. I can't live without my iPhone.
One shop you shop in mostly. So favorite shop as in Mumbai.
One
Shop.
favorite shop in Mumbai.
Or any other place in the world.
Lots of them, yeah. I like LV anywhere, or Cavalli or Gucci. Yeah.
One dish you cannot resist.
Chicken.
Chicken, okay, fine. Eating habits.
Very unhealthy.
Fitness today.
I do. I work out whenever I get the
Distress
time.
mantra. Distress mantra.
Sleep.
One person in your team who is most important manager, stylist, trainer. Manager.
Pooja. Yeah.
Manager.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 things you cannot live without.
Lip balm. My cell phones. My car. And my handbag. And what else?
5 over.
No, 4 are over. My house keys. Yeah.
And one on-screen personality you're obsessed with.
My one on-screen
Means personality.
personality. On-screen personality.
Yeah.
Oof. My recent crush is Robert Pattinson from Twilight.
Just one request.